The tool table in Toolkit lists all the tools contained in a specific tool library. In this case, we're looking at the part tool library of the 2.5D milling tube part that's included in the install. Also shown is structured information about the tools, arranged into specified columns. To see more of or all the tool details, we can drag the tool table window, or better yet, we can click the handy narrow expand button in the lower right corner of the Toolkit dialog box to toggle the display of the data pane area. This is a quick, easy way to see all the tools and their details. The columns are pre-arranged, but Toolkit enables you to customize the tool table to suit your needs. By default, we have tool number, tool path color, diameter, tool type, description and tool ID, as well as many other tool details. The information and order in which it's displayed can be seen by right-clicking on any of the column headers. There are these default tool details, which are always shown. If there are any other details that perhaps aren't useful or applicable to you, its visibility can be toggled off by simply unchecking. Let's right-click a column header again, and this time select More. The Choose Details dialog box appears. This is where we can choose from a variety of more details that we want displayed in the tool table. If, for example, you want to see the device to which the tool is mounted, select Device. If you want to see certain tool parameters besides the default diameter, such as cutting length and outside holder length, simply select the corresponding checkboxes. Toolkit offers an extensive list of details that can be displayed. To simplify our selections, we can even use the Check All or Clear All options, or we can just choose the desired details individually. As mentioned, the default tool details are always shown and cannot be hidden. We can, however, move up or move down the defaults and other tool details in the list to change how the columns are arranged. This can also be done by clicking and dragging an item below another item in the list. It's also possible to rearrange the columns in the tool table window by clicking and dragging left or right, like so. Once we have our tool details and the columns are arranged to our liking, the tool table enables us to sort the tools in ascending or descending order based on the information in a column by simply clicking its header. For example, the tool can be viewed by diameter, smallest to largest, and vice versa, or by tool type in alphabetical order, or by the typical tool number, and so on.